guys, how are you this week? This week, guys, I have a special treat for you. I have an idea you probably have never even thought of. Actually, I never even thought of it. This idea came from online. I was browsing online, trying to find my next sweet treat idea, and duh, there it was, right in front of me. You guys have probably never seen it, but if you have, great. But if you have not, this is gonna be a good surprise. So this week, guys, we're gonna do a peanut butter cookie. We're not gonna do it homemade because we're not gonna go through all that. Why go through all that? And we could just get it already prepared and we could just, put our little spin on it, okay? So this week idea, you guys, we're gonna do a peanut butter cookie. You guys can see that. And it's just by something I grabbed from my local Walmart, and it's the Pillsbury brand of the Reese's peanut butter cookie. I think they have the sugar cookie. They also have the chocolate chip. By any means, we're gonna do the peanut butter cookie. And what's gonna make this is a little unique, guys, is after the we're gonna put our peanut butter cookies over into our oven. After that cookie is done, we're gonna come in, and I don't know if you guys have ever seen this chocolate, put up close. If you have kids, you've seen this chocolate. You buy the chocolate bars. Sometimes they'll sell them at for the schools for like $1 or so. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna come back, we're gonna cut these chocolate bars up, and we're gonna put them into our cookie. So it's going to be a little spin on the on the peanut butter cookie, but by any means, I'm sure it's going to be really yummy. And I know Carter will enjoy it. So yeah, you guys, peanut butter chocolate cookies is what we're going to make this week in the kitchen. So if you're interested to see how we put this little spin on these peanut butter cookies, stay tuned. Okay, you guys, so a quick recap of what we're going to be using. Of course, the star of the show is going to be these peanut butter cookies in the pack. It makes about 24 cookies. I think they have them in a smaller pack, so you guys can get whatever you want when you go to your local Walmart, Target. So the star of the show is going to be our peanut butter cookie. We're going to come in and we're going to chop up these peanut butter bars, chocolate bars. And I just have 2 of them. We may not even need 2, but we'll see. Of course, we have our cookie baking pan spray so that our pans won't be all messy when we're done. And of course, I just have this circular, it look kind of like a pizza dish. And of course, we definitely have to get some more baking dishes, because if you guys can see, this has really been through the mud. It's been through the mud, it's been back again. But sometimes, if you guys know, if you have a certain thing in your kitchen, and it's kind of like your favorite, you just keep using it, and sometimes you hate to part with it. So this is some of the things I just hate to part with. I think I'd rather being a little bit used and abused, and I don't know, I just like it. But we're working on it. We're gonna get some new baking dishes and stuff like that to carry us through on this channel. But for now, we use what we already have. So we're gonna go ahead and first of all, we're gonna go ahead and spray our pans up really good. That way, when it's time to wash these bad babies, we don't have to worry about anything sticking. Because who wants to be going through all that? Not me. So yeah, I'm just gonna spray it up real good. Then I'm gonna grab some scissors or shears, whatever you guys have in your kitchen. And did I get this all over the, yes I did. Okay, so we're gonna grab our scissors, and we're just gonna get this package of cookies opened up. And if you're new to the channel, guys, please consider subscribing. If you are a returning viewer, thank you so much for coming back. I really appreciate it. Sometimes getting these videos together, it takes time to figure out what the next idea I'm gonna do for you guys. And I just like to keep it different and keep it simple each week, something simple and unique. Just, to share with you guys. I love to share different ideas and give you guys motivation of things that you can prepare that's really simple and really, really quick, because I like to do stuff that's quick, does not take a lot of time, and can still be delicious, okay? So yeah. So let's go ahead and get started. We're gonna go ahead and start placing these cookies on here. Some of them, you guys, I think we're gonna do like a, the chocolate on top, and then some of them we're gonna come in with these chocolate sprinkles on the cookie, and we're gonna we're gonna do them like that. So what I'm doing is just going ahead and rounding them out like so, if you guys can see that. Okay, and again, it makes 24. I should do them a little bit bigger, like a bigger cookie, because these may be a little small. Yeah, we're gonna do a little bigger cookie. So what I'm doing, I'm gonna combine 2 cookies into one, and it kind of looked like a peanut butter ball. You guys can see that. And we're just gonna get them on here. Instead of doing, I don't want a lot of small cookies, so we can just make a you know, a good little size cookie. Okay, this is the second one. They smell good, really, really good. I love the smell of peanut butter. I know they used to say you can't eat raw cookie dough and stuff like that, but on the package, guys, it says it's safe to eat it raw. It smells really good though. I don't think I'll eat it raw, but it smells really good. And it says it's safe to eat it raw on the package. And normally, to what I've always been told, you don't eat a raw cookie dough. But if you guys can see that, it's safe to eat raw. So I guess, you know, how they're making these things now is a little different. So, yeah. So let's see how many we can get out of this. So right now we got 3, 4, 5, 6. You guys can see them, and make sure you leave space. That way, when your cookies go to start baking, they don't stick together. So what I'm gonna do, you guys, halfway through the baking, I'm gonna pull the pan out, and I'm gonna go ahead and top some of them with sprinkles. I'm not gonna put the chocolate sprinkles over all of them. Just a couple of them, because you remember we're going to put our chocolate on top. Okay, so I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 on the circle baking pan, and then I have like a rectangle pan over here, and I'm going to put about 5 on this one. I'm gonna hold it up so you guys can see a little bit better about what I'm doing with them. So I'm just, you know, rolling around in my hand. You guys can see that. Okay, gonna wash my hands. What I'm gonna do now, you guys, I'm gonna go and I'm gonna take my finger and I'm gonna kind of like squish that center a little bit, because that's where I'm gonna place my my chocolate. Another thing you could do, guys, is you could take a piece of the chocolate and put it over into the cookie and fold it. That way you have like a chocolate center. Don't say I never taught you anything. All right, so I'm just going ahead and I'm pushing the center of this cookie down, and then I'm gonna hold it up and let you guys see what I've done. Okay, so if you guys can see that, that's the center, what I've just put down there. And what we're gonna do, we're gonna come back and we're gonna put our chocolate in the center. This one right here, we're gonna do chocolate, and this one right here, we're just gonna go ahead and put some sprinkles on top of that one, some chocolate sprinkles. That way, you know, we can have a variety in case, you know, Carter don't want one, he can have the other one. So guys, before I get these over to the oven, I wanted to tell you guys about the community tab. If you have not already, check it out, because if you missed it last week, I was telling you guys I have started to, in the community tab, put like on Mondays a motivational quote for all of my viewers. You guys can go in and read the motivational quote. Again, like I said, it's not gonna be every Monday, but some Mondays it's gonna be one there for you guys, just to uplift you and, you know, get you through your week, because sometimes everyone needs a little motivation, and why not? You know, if you have a platform where you can help and motivate people, I'm all about that. I am all about that. So you guys check that out. Let me know what you think. And also, don't forget, guys, if there's desserts out there or any dessert ideas that you want to see me make or try, go ahead and drop them down in the comments. I love to see them. I love to read you guys' comments. And, you know, it just leaves the communication open so I can know what you guys are interested in, what you like to eat and stuff like that. So let's get these over into the oven, let these bake up, and I'll be right back. Okay, you guys, we are back and we have our candy here. what I'm gonna do now, guys, I'm gonna go ahead and open up my candy like so. And sometimes I know you guys probably have saw these. You can go to your grocer or grocery store, and in the candy section they have these little chocolate bars, the miniature chocolate bars that's already, you know, they're already small. All you have to do is, you know, intertwine them into your cookies, so you won't have to do this step. But since I don't have the small ones, we will go ahead and just use what we have. And I'm just cutting these this bar into like little sections. So I need about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7 pieces of my chocolate. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so I have about 8 pieces. I don't need 7, so I'll go ahead and eat one. I ate that piece, and then we have 7 to stick into our cookies. So we're just gonna go ahead and get our chocolate pieces over into our cookie, like so. That was really good. I remember these chocolate bars when I was actually in high school. I remember buying them. You know, everybody would walk around school and with their little boxes of those chocolate bars. You would buy them for $1. Okay, so let me hold it up and let you guys see what it looked like. You guys can see that. Looks really good. Okay. And if you guys want to garnish your cookie with powdered sugar, that will be good as well. If you guys can notice in this cookie here, see if I can show you on camera, that one, it has almonds in there. So that's a plus because I like almonds. So there you guys have it. Really simple. Really, really simple. It didn't take that long. And here's the other batch, you guys. These have like the little sprinkles on there. You guys can see that. So yeah, easy dessert ideas. That's really easy to put together, really simple. So if you're thinking something quick, you have a sweet tooth, go ahead and grab you know, the peanut butter cookie packets and go ahead and make this, try it. It's really good, and I'm quite sure your kids will love it, and you know, they'll have a blast with it. So again, if you guys are new to the channel, please consider subscribing for continued content each week. Each week I give you guys ideas of different quick and simple desserts that you can put together really quick. If your kids are having something at school, you need to put together something really quick. How fun and cute will this be to just, you know, go ahead and, you know, do this really quickly and put them over into a Tupperware bowl and take them to school really, really quick. Or if you're just, you know, at home, you're that, you know, at home person and you're just looking for something quick to eat with a movie, you know, sweet treat with the popcorn. Really simple. Really, really simple. No more than 30 minutes and you have something already prepared. So yeah, guys, do not forget to subscribe. I love you guys. Do not forget to check out the community tab with motivational quotes for you guys there, and just delicious photos of the upcoming desserts or desserts I've already made. If you guys did not check out the other videos, go check them out. I have a strawberry parfait video up for you guys. You guys can go check that out. Let me know what you think. Drop down in the comments what you think about this quick dessert idea. And I will see you guys next week with a new idea, new recipe. Stay tuned. You don't want to miss it. So I will see you guys next week. Bye.